You know when you just see things on the models online and you're like, that looks super cute, and then you see it and you're like, oh, maybe not.
You and me, we're in a club now.
Hello my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly, if you don't know me, and thank you so much for checking out today's video. So I may or may not have made another H&M haul. I ended up having to return almost over half of my order from the last haul because it either didn't fit right, didn't like it, all of that stuff. So they sent me a birthday discount code, so I may have ordered some more things.
You know that thing when you see someone cute and he smiles and your heart kind of goes like warm butter sliding down hot toast? Well, that's what it's like when I see a store.
And you guys voted that you wanted to see another haul, so here I am to provide you with another haul video. So let's go ahead and get to opening and seeing what's inside. I'm so excited. I can't remember what's in here. Okay, I'm so excited for these bits. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right in. So the first thing I got was this seamless ribbed bralette in a dusky green color. It looks beautiful and really comfortable, and I'm so excited to try this because a lot of my bras don't fit me anymore because I've gained weight, so I'm really excited and I hope this fits. So this is the soft cut microfiber bra in black. Again, looks super comfortable and I'm super excited. I hope it fits. And yeah, so we'll have to see. So I used to not be a bodysuit person, and now I've become a bodysuit person. So they had a bunch of these really beautiful bodysuits on sale that I had to get my hands on just to add to my basics. So this is this really nice kind of white ribbed bodysuit. And then I also got it in this beautiful, again, kind of dusky sage green color. Super excited and hopefully they fit. So this is a ribbed gray melange romper. Oh, it looks so cute and so comfy. I am so excited. Also, be excited with these. So these are ribbed biker shorts in a kind of taupey color. So I'm excited to try these on and see how these fit. They look super comfortable. I also got these Shaper bike shorts. They're supposed to be amazing, but I was checking the reviews and I'm glad I checked them because all the reviews said to size up. So I got a medium instead of a small, even though the size guide told me to get a small. This is what everyone said to size up, so I'm hoping that works in my favor and we'll see what these are like. Oh yeah, they don't have a lot of stretch to them, so I'm glad. Hopefully these are comfy. We'll see. Put it to the test. And last but certainly not least, something I never thought honestly I'd buy. This is a black seamless unitard, and I'm looking at it, I'm already like, yeah, I might return this. You know when you just see things on the models online and you're like, that looks super cute, and then you see it and you're like, oh, maybe not. But maybe it'll look better on. We'll see. So, time to put this stuff on. So this is the seamless ribbed bralette in the sage green color. It's super comfortable and cozy, and I will definitely be wearing this a lot, and I wish I got more colors. Okay, again, I am very happy with this. This is the microfiber black bra. It's super comfortable and fits really well, and I like the thickness of the straps because it doesn't really dig into my shoulders or anything, so very happy with this purchase as well. Okay, so this is the bodysuit, the white one with the ribbed taupey biker shorts. I love these shorts, they're super comfortable. We'll definitely be keeping these. This goes a lot lower than I was expecting, and then it looks on the model. I feel a little revealing and uncomfortable, so I'm gonna return the bodysuits, unfortunately. And they're a little tight in the arms as well, but doesn't look bad overall. Oh lord, it looks so much better on the model than it does on me, Koa. It looks so much better on the model than it does on me. So yeah, this looks horrible. Fits horribly. It's saggy in the crotch. Koa is not a fan, and fits horribly, and I will be returning this. Also, the bike shorts did not make it onto the try-on portion because I couldn't fit it over my thighs, so yeah. This haul is going well so far. Okay, I am so excited about this romper. It is so cute. I feel so pretty right now. I'm obsessed. This is adorable. Big fan, big fan. Highly recommend. Rompers are just the best. Like, what did we do before rompers, honestly? This fits so well. I'm so stoked. Okay, I'm glad a couple of things at least worked out from this haul. Oh, what a journey, what a journey. So yeah, that concludes this little H&M haul and try on part 2, I guess. Thank you, beautiful butterflies, so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn that notification bell on. Your support means the world to me. I really appreciate it. If you like these types of videos, please let me know if you want to see more of them. Gonna be returning over half of my order again, but you win some, you lose some with online shopping. So I hope you beautiful butterflies have an amazing rest of your day. I love you all so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!